Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that. And Vany is forced to do Instagram live because her mother is worried about her, that these so-called Jamaican vloggers or people on Facebook or wherever is just out here looking to get AdSense off of her and not worried about her safety and her health, because they're going around posting old videos of her cursing people out, people like Pretty Dan and whoever. You see what I'm saying? And she also talks about her ordeal, what happened, a little bit what happened in the situation, because you know this is under investigation. You see what I'm saying? She says she knows who's real from who's not. She talks about giving back people's pages and whose pages cannot be returned due to unforeseen reasons. It's sad, but before we get into all of that, I'm needing to take the like button, subscribe, and also the notification bell, because I run your son to get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossip. And people, we're glad to hear Vany's voice. She's in good spirits. And just wishing her a speedy recovery, you know?
Page, me have tried to find it, me can't find it. So a girl when me know a par with her, me tell the girl, say, if I tell her, say, I'm willing to give back her page. So when she can contact me or video call me, she should. I'm going to give back the page because I'm not give no friend, nothing, forgive nobody. Right? When I want to come from the life, I say no. A lot of who follow me, because a lot of the people who are on this page, everybody know this page is not my page. This is Abby Amanda page, right? A lot of people who follow, who on this page know me. You understand? So, for all who just know me and for all who know me long time, know I'm always in an argument with people. Zine, as well, I'm now stay on this long, we just want to come start with a little issue, which I going to talk about now. My mother showed me a couple of videos and she called me upset. She said, why am I still on Instagram arguing with people, making videos, sending out videos, and all of them something there. So me is like, me make you know, say, no mommy, one video me ever make since the shoot up, I'ma post my Instagram, and that was just not even talk, me not talk, you know. That was just a video with me, I listen to a song and me just post it up. So just make who out the real, who out the love me, who out the know me. So just to make them know say I am fine, because when I go up on the road, a lot of people me see a rush to come hug me up and cry. School children too. People when did have my WhatsApp, me I have to change my number. So everybody who text me up on the 558 number. Reason why you text me and I change my number, because a lot of people text me and a lot of people threaten me. I say them did set man for do this and them I go do that. And a lot of people who I'm not going to tell no lie. I can count on my finger 3 people that I sold an Instagram page to. Well, I never sold them the page because I never received the page. I had the page to give them, right? When I log in for try to secure the page, 2 of them, the person get back the page, like them use them Gmail and get it back. One of them, it just logged me out. I don't know why. I don't receive the people their money already. You understand? When I was trying to get back the page, my Instagram got disabled, because I remember if everybody who did follow me did remember, say the last post I did make on my page was what the name? I remember if you remember the song, I said, who can someone that sit on the dick? Someone like that, the song I did play. So I did a video myself a snap, I did in a one panty and me a dance and I put it on my story. So Instagram take down the video, say a nudity, right? I remember Instagram did block me from go live already. Instagram did block me from go live. Instagram did block me from posting things with captions. You only could have post stuff, but you wouldn't see the caption. If I write a caption, then I go take it off. So because me did get blocked already and all of them something they do in the video, when I post up on my status, on my story, them take it down and just take down my page itself. So when I'm looking at my Gmail, I see something say your video has been deleted. When me have to go in on my IG, I see something say logged out. So Instagram disabled my page. It wasn't nobody acting my page. Nobody never report me for anything. Instagram carrying what I'm big up myself. Instagram just delete my page permanently, and them delete my backup page too. You see me? Me did them. I build a little fake page, the same page. I'm telling you if you go follow until my name. You know, I'm not even going to mention all of them something. Like, my mother only send up on the life to talk about one something. What I want to say, guys, for all the new people, them would just know about Ivany and just follow me since the incident happened. Some people are sending out videos with me arguing. When my mother said me for come and this come talk about, for me couldn't know. You see all of them video there, where them a repost and make it look like me a cuss people after the incident what happened to me. That's a lie. Because a lot of video out there, people missing enough video. When me used to cuss Pretty Dan and me used to cuss certain people, them a repost those videos and make it look like say after me get gunshot, me not learn, or you know them way them after me get the little gunshot, them a post back the video, them a make it look like say me and somebody a argue. And me not learn after me get that, me still a post things and me still a cuss with people. That's a lie. If you realize people, me have bandage all over me. Me have bandage for my hip, me have bandage for my hand, and me have bandage for my leg. Me even know for my hip right so are a little bit in between my hip and my bottom. I don't even know my body type, but somewhere near my waist, like I have beer bandage there, so I have one for my leg, and I have one almost to my wrist. You understand? So if you see a video and you don't see me with bandage up on him, something attack, that's a lie, cause them a post up video now and make it look like say me out there argue with people and me out there cuss with people, and that is a lie. From me get the incident, I one time I ever click the live, I just click the live. When me click for go live, I was gonna sit and talk to you guys on the live, and to the amount of views when my sister go up, anybody who realize the 2 times I click the live button, to the amount of views my sister go up, I have to just end the live same time because me know who is who. You understand? So I just end the live. And my mother now text me. Well, actually call me and say, you still a post up? You understand? I say, no, I'm not post up anything. It's one thing I post up different from screenshot is I when I post up the video and I never say nothing in the video, and I just post a video and I listen to 2 songs. You understand? Because a lot of people look the things I'm dead or me in some, you know, some really bad condition, and people are ball out. The people will love me and rate me out, they are ball. So me just make a video and just post it to make everybody know so me alive same way I'm a good. And then another thing is that I was in my Instagram, right? So I'm afraid to black clap. Made up on my Instagram, right? And me see my page, me see that I've been logged into another page. I don't know the other page, me just see it pop up. So when I click it and I go on the page, me see this, I don't know the girl from Adams, right? I mean, I want to open her message them, I don't want to text nobody in our convo. So I just, I don't know nobody fear. My mama tell me I don't know them, I don't know how our thing reach there. So everybody knows that anything I do, I own up to it. I don't know how it reaches. So the only way was to just post it up and tell somebody, so anybody who know her, if you just contact her and tell her to change her password. Everybody make a big deal out of it. I say me a try to cause excitement for myself. And I me I do this and I me I do that. If me log in a somebody page, me don't know her. right? Me don't know her, me now open up her message them none tall. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to tag it. Me screenshot it and post it. You understand? So everybody can see it and everybody can text her. Because when me in the account I realize that me in there, she can in her account same time too. Then little after a message she text me and say she received the message and she changed her password. Me delete the screenshot and me tell her say me I go try if I go back in to see if it come for true, and then I go screenshot it and show her what happened. So when me I try to go back in at the page, like just tap it for go back in, it show me say you have been logged out. You understand? So me screenshot it and show her for make sure know say it logged out. See me? Me I try to get to Abby Amanda. Me don't know if anybody live near her. Can text her and tell her if you contact me upon the page here or contact me upon the backup page, the page of me make. More likely me don't want her to contact me upon my new page, because I missed that page here full of be a message. Me don't know if she text me her message will pop up. So if anybody live near her, anybody know her, just text her and make sure know I'm willing to give back her page, so she can just contact me upon both pages and me can just hand over her page to her. Or more likely she video call me or send me her number or something. I'm a video call her and I know say really she, so I can hand her page. And the next thing, everybody will say Vany in a critical condition and a warm blood. I do not need people. I don't know. Me even I got certain things for them come try kill me again, which you know. Yeah, worry about me if you give back Candy her page. The new page of Candy have, why don't you go to Candy manager that took Candy page into a juice page and ask her if she's not going to give back Candy her page, because everybody know the page I made it of that disabled and gone. So why you not go text Candy manager asking about Candy new page? I do not have Candy page. Everybody page I made it, what I have, I try to give it back as possible. Renee 630 page is there. I don't have access to the page because somebody was trying to log into the page, right? And me change the password same time because my sister somebody that tried to log in at the page and I could go back in at the page because it has to send a code to the email and to the number where them did a try to verify, and the person who did a try to tease the account don't have the new password, so them can't go in it. So I don't found a fake, you know. I found a fake. I say I some girl will come out in my DM. Will come out in my DM. And I don't found beg me, shout out, and I don't found laugh up in my face, and I don't found text me, I'm going like on a reel, and then remember watch everything, you know. I watch everything, I watch the stars or them post up, I'm see most of you know we act like we're not good. I see most of you over the star. I comment some bad things and I say some negative things, and then you know what the worst thing? Don't think me no know the name. Enough of you we comment some stuff on the stars. Wanna get my new number, I wanna text me, I know I go on like on nice and deep down, I wanna say I comment some negative something. And I wanna see man when my damn here wanna talk about all wanna boring. Oh no, I don't want to go live. I don't want to go live because you're bored. I'm sorry, I'm going to go live because anytime people bored, them always ask me to go live. And you see though. I go live, I better keep full company. I go live, I'm gonna keep full company. I'm daddy, I'm say no what, I feel like more want ice cream or want something. And told me loyal to someone and think someone did real. When I say Vany, when you go another night, I'm said to say you make a buy ice cream, then I make a soon come back. You see though? You found yeah, me had good enough. I wanna see someone ask me upon the live. I wanna see someone ask me upon the live. Vany, where you go? And true, me used to know say if me I go buy weed or me I go buy nothing, me just always tell the people that me I go say if anything happen, them did know say Vany gone down there so. Me tell them say me I go make a man go buy a ice cream or a chocolate. And you see? But I go walk with my phone, you know. Me I go walk with my phone. And two girls start argue on the live. Two girls start argue on the live. And I say, you know what? When I go and argue on the live, I just left the phone for charge. And the little time, I'm not going to talk about it neither. And the little time I walk along there, so I just hit that. You know something I say, either keep it his mouth, keep it his life. Yeah, man. So anybody who shot me, I keep my mouth still, you know, see me? Me good? I'm a good man. But I just make everybody know, say, for the videos that will come out, and everybody will feel like after me get that incident there, me I make video and I cuss people same way. That's not me, you hear? I have bandage all over. So if you see me make a video with a little bandage and them something there, and me. Any video where I want to see people are sending around, those are all time video. You hear? Any video I want to see come up and I cuss people and I go on the most swear, that's not my video. That's old video when me used to cuss Pretty Dan and me used to cuss all of them people there. All time video. You see me? And let me tell you something. So the reason why you see me still at the promotion and I post all the little video when I see I post up, this is how I gain money. Not talking about thieving page. Just forget about thieving page and selling page. I'm talking about promotion. Just promotion. Like somebody say, Vany, how much you post something for your story? I'm say $13,000 for post something for my story, but it lasts for 1 week and you get post 3 times daily. Or them say, Vany, how much you make an ads video for my party or my show or anything? I'm going to tell them $15,000. That is how I make my money. If I don't do promotion on Instagram, I don't get money to pay my bills. I don't get money to buy a grocery. If I never, I'm going to tell you the reason why. You see the video? You see me post up on my page a while ago? That video that you see me post up on my page, when me I said the place there thriller and stuff man that the last video I post is because the person did pay me for the promotion for them, you me. Me did get paid. Me did get paid for the promotion, and the little incident did happen with me, and the person never get to finish to them promotion, and the person send me some money to get some medication and all them something there. And that is why me remember say me never did finish in promotion, and that is why I say me just post up the video direct. So everybody where I see me the video I post up and one girl did comment underneath it, I say you come like you're not learning, you get chatty, you still a post about promotion. It's not a matter about that. It's a matter about the person promotion never finish, and me just post it. And for all of the people that might tell me if you go look work and this, anyways, people just know say Vany good, and me love who love me. I'm not come off for the life, I never come for stay like my mother just have to come for me couldn't know say. I just want to know say the video that posted where everybody has said me a cuss people is not a recent is not a recent video. A long time video. Alright? Vany is still there. Give thanks for have a next life. Give thanks for know say I'm still alive. I love who love me.